Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your debit card to PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account, either through the website or the mobile application. Once logged in, locate the Wallet or Payment Methods section. From there, you will find an option to link a debit or credit card to start the process. It's a straightforward way to enhance your payment options. Next, you'll need to input your debit card details. Select the type of card you have, then accurately enter the 16-digit card number found on the front. Don't forget to add the expiration date and the 3-digit security code, usually located on the back. Double-check all the information to ensure it's correct before proceeding to save your card. To confirm your card, PayPal will place a small, temporary charge on it, usually around $1.95. This charge will include a unique 4-digit code on your bank statement, which typically appears within 2 to 3 business days. Once you have this code, return to your PayPal wallet and enter it to finalize the verification of your debit card. With your debit card successfully linked and confirmed, you can now enjoy seamless and secure payments. You can make online purchases without directly sharing your card details with merchants. This also allows you to access your funds instantly for various transactions and benefit from PayPal's buyer protection on eligible purchases, adding an extra layer of security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.